Hello boos, welcome back to my channel. It's Dekiboo, as some of y'all know and some of y'all. Okay, as you can tell by the title, I'm asking you guys for a favor. Stop worrying yourself, it's not money. So please watch to the end of this video, because it's really important that you watch to the end of this video, as I will be just talking to you guys about everything, and also I'm asking y'all to do something. Just please watch to the end of this video, don't even skip, because like I watched in my analytics, I see that y'all be skipping on my videos, and you know, sometimes you just want to get to the end and get to the point and everything, but I'm asking you, please guys, this video, just watch till the end. I want you to hear and get everything what I'm saying. I look in my YouTube analytics and I see like how long y'all stay on my channel, and that's like 4 minutes. Yeah, I know my videos are not 4 minutes long, it's more than 4 minutes, right? So guys, let's just get into this. First off, one point I want to address first. I've noticed that my subscriber counts are going down. I don't know if I'm feeling boring. Yeah, I'm feel a way about that, but boring, that's just it, right? Second of all, there was an issue with my YouTube channel. There's still an issue. Like, I realized that like my likes are getting more than my views, and I had informed YouTube about this, and they're telling me that it's normal and so forth. Yeah, get that out of the way. When I go in YouTube analytics, I realized that my consistent, or I should say returning viewers, are very less than I had from before. Yes, so I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. Am I posting the wrong days or whatever? I need to know from y'all what days is best for me to post and what time and so forth. Now, next up, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. I'm asking you, please, may I beg you, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell. I give post notification shout out to anyone who subscribe, who comment under my video first. If you subscribe, just say I just subscribed, and I'll give you a shout out. Now please guys, go over official Volcano TV and subscribe to his channel. He was the first to comment on my previous video. Guys, I'm begging y'all, just go over there, show him some support, show him some love, let him know that Dekiboo sent you all. Guys, YouTube can be hard. If anyone of you guys are doing YouTube, you're a YouTuber, you know what I'm talking about. It can be hard. I've watched many channels started and some of them grow past me, and it makes me feel away, but that's just how it is, and I can't just look at that, because you know that everyone has their own time and God gives you your own time and so forth. But as I'm saying, it's very hard. If you're a prospective YouTuber, I'm just encouraging you, just love what you do. Just love what you do. That's all you should do. You are your main motivator. You are who makes you continue, right? So with that said, I'm just encouraging anyone that have a YouTube channel, or anyone who wants to start a YouTube channel, go ahead, take the step. What do you have to lose? Yes, and it's never too late to start a YouTube channel, especially now in the pandemic, when most people are working from home and social media is getting so broad. And yeah, another point I want to address is the community tab. It is very important. If you're a YouTuber, post in your community tab if you get the chance, if you are able to do so. If you have the 4,000 hours of watch time and the 1,000 subscribers, post in your community tab. No, subscribers, I'm talking to you now. Please go in my community tab and check it out. respond to my community post, because it is for you, not me, you, for you to know what I'm feeling and what I want to say to you, right? Okay. Also guys, I have a motivational channel. That one is not growing, so y'all go over there and check that out. I want to see all my loyal subscribers, my loyal boos, go over that channel and subscribe. And as I said before, this video is not going to be too long. I'm just going to get into one more point and I'll say what I really want to say. I want y'all to connect with me on my social media accounts. That's for TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram. That's DEKIBOO_87_. And also guys, you will be seeing when I'm posting a video, or when I have already posted a video. And whenever I do, you guys can just rush over the video, watch it, comment, share to a friend, because that is important too. Tell your friend. You see, if you tell your friend and she tell her friend and him tell him friend, you know how much subscriber Dekiboo would have. Yes. Alright, let me just stop my knives now and talk what I'm asking y'all to do. So guys, did you like this video, by the way? You like the video? And did you subscribe? To the new people, did you subscribe? Okay, I'll take that as a yes. So guys, alright, this channel is a channel I want y'all to check out. Not even check out, I want y'all to give your full support on this channel. I want to see how many people actually loyal to me. Yeah, I want y'all to go over a cup of tea. That is my ride or die, my inspiration, my motivation, my cup of tea. And she can be, what is wrong with this guy? And she can be your cup of tea too, if you want to. So guys, alright, she's gonna reach her 1 year. 1 year of YouTube. You know how much endurance that is? 1 whole year of YouTube. 1 whole year of showing your face on camera. 1 whole year of people critiquing, people commenting, people liking, people subscribing, people all manner of evil. I mean, all manner of things. Yes. Not. Anyways, so I'm begging y'all, please, please, please. She's not at her 1K subscribers and she's not at her 4,000 hours of watch time. If you made it to the end of this video, it is not by fate, but it is by chance, because I chose you. Yes, I chose you. So guys, as I said, my loyal boos and my unloyal boos, I'm talking to you too, because like you come on this channel sometimes, ain't it? Or if you even you, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to everybody listening to my voice. I am talking to you. Okay? Can I get a amen? Amen, my sis? Amen, my bro? Okay. So, how to find a cup of tea's channel? The link is in the description below. All you gotta do is click on the title and then you will see it at the top. And I'm gonna just let it and official Volcano TV and also Monies_ArtsFit channel to be there. And you guys subscribe to those 3 channels. But as I said, a cup of tea, I'm asking y'all, please give her the support. She need the motivation, she need the help. And yeah, just do that. And I want y'all to be genuine to her as well. So you guys are going to watch our previous videos, or even how much video you can watch. Just watch them. Just watch them. Just think about it and say, you know what? I'm supporting this person. Yes, she seems nice. I'm just supporting her because she took the step to do something that most people don't want to do. She's expressing herself or life, whatever, on YouTube. You know how much people can do that? Also, not only in the description below, the link will also be pinned in the comment section. So by the way, you should be looking at it already, or you should see it already. And you can just type in a cup of tea on YouTube. Just type it in your search and you will see it. I thank you all for staying to the end. I feel special. Thank you all. You don't know how you made my day. You guys are the best. The best of all the best. The best of all the rest. Nobody can test, and you are just the best. Alright, that's it. See you in the next video.